ChatGPT can now access the internet again. You can activate the feature in the ChatGPT Plus beta settings. Here are some examples of what to do with it. We can use it to detect trends for a business. For example, let's ask it to analyze the latest phone trends in the US in 2023. Just like that, ChatGPT will provide a detailed analysis that is up to date with sources. It's extremely useful for research or if you need to study. Now let's get it to write a blog post about the most popular phone companies globally in Q1 2023. Boom! It's written an entire blog post in seconds about our topic. It saves so much time and is great foundation if you have a writer's block. Useful for writing articles on your website or anywhere really. Now let's see if it can analyze the stock market. Let's ask it to audit tech companies and how their shares are looking to evolve over the coming weeks. Once again, it's provided useful analysis that we can take into consideration when investing. While you shouldn't entirely rely on it, it builds some analysis for you to work with. What are you going to use this for? Let me know. Access the ultimate list of over 2,000 plus AI in my free AI newsletter. You'll learn that